getting out in nature, taking deep breaths of fresh air, looking at these panoramic views, it can really recharge you. But obviously there comes a point when you're camping that it's time to cook. And I think everybody enjoys this aspect when they're out in the wild. So in this video, I'm gonna go through a quick recap with some friends, including Mesfin, which I will link his amazing YouTube video here in my video on how to cook a steak in an Ooni Pizza Oven.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're out here camping in the Oregon wilderness.
Where'd you go?
We got the one and only Mesfin right here, prepping dinner, which you can see is a nice New York strip steak. What's really unique about this is how it's going to be cooked. More to come.
Pull it out so you can see it smoking.
Oh. John, what'd you season that steak with?
This
Which is?
Kinder's seasoning the blend. Mostly salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, salt in there. It's gonna be mighty fine.
Have you had it before?
No.
Okay. Going into a pan. But what's unique about this, the pan is 900 degrees. Let's light it up, baby. John, have you ever cooked this way before with a steak?
No.
How long do you leave it in there before you turn it?
I have.
He's lying.
I'm lying. No, this is probably about you don't flip it. It's probably about a 3 to 4 minute cook. It'll sear both sides at the same time.
Wow. 3 to 4 minutes and done.
Great way to cook a steak.
Now do the chef flip. Oh.
No flipping.
Coming out.
Oh, leave it.
Cut it in half to see what it looks like.
What are we going for?
No, I'm not gonna tell you until I'm done.
That's clever.
Oh, that is perfect.